Today we're going to do a resort review of Disney's All-Star Sports. When you first pull in, you'll see a check-in parking area. This is a 20-minute parking area. And as you go into the main doors, you'll enter into the lobby area. The area has plenty of seating, a lot of cute Disney pictures. And then on the right side, you'll see the counters where you do your check-in. But I would strongly recommend doing online check-in. That way they'll send you a text message when your room is ready, and you can just go straight to your room and not have to stop by the front desk. It makes it a lot easier. And then you'll see Sport Goofy. It's the merchandise shop at the resort. And for a value resort, they have a really good selection, a lot of resort specific, and then regular Disney merchandise as well. You'll see a lot of jerseys with Disney characters on it. A good selection of Mickey ears, caps, just all kinds of fun Disney merchandise. As you leave the merchandise shop, you'll see the arcade on the right side. It's the Game Point Arcade. Good size arcade. It's got a lot of old school games, pinball machines, just a good selection of stuff to keep you entertained, especially if you're at the resort and you're having a Florida afternoon thunderstorm. It'd be a good day, good place to come in and spend a little bit of time and relax and enjoy your gaming. And then you have the end zone food court. This is a quick service area that at the resort where you can get hamburgers, pastas, pizza, desserts, grab and go type foods. It is really, the food's pretty good for a value resort. And then once you make it out into the courtyard, this is where the value resorts really stand out. They have a lot of theming going on, like Huey, Dewey, and Louie and Donald Duck out here playing baseball on a tennis court. It's just really fun type theming. Really makes you feel young and cheery. This section is the football theming. You actually get to walk inside this supersized football helmet and just enjoy your time. Have a football field out on the other side of the helmet, so you can get out there, and if you're a young kid, you can run off a lot of energy, and if you're an old person, you can track how far you're walking down the football field. But it's really fun theming. Overall, that's one of the reasons we enjoy the value resorts. And here we have a Mickey welcoming you to the All-Star Sports Resort. And this is one of the pools. This is the Surfboard Bay pool. They also have a Grand Slam pool on the resort side. So both pools are very nice sized. A lot of activities for the children, and there's always quite a few people out here enjoying themselves. And the Surf Up Bathhouse is a laundromat in case you need to do some laundry. And then out front is the bus stop where all the buses take you to where all the magic begins. Yeah, you can catch a bus to any of the parks and also to Disney Springs. And remember, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, the like, leave comments. We love hearing from you guys. Thank you.